Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I want to ask you guys a question today. Look at this road, look at the white line. Now you notice a solid white line, now the white line is broken here. So the solid white line means no overtaking. And the broken white line means you can overtake when it's safe. I want to ask you guys a question. Do the police still enforce these rules? Are they still part of the new road code? Because you see how people drive in Jamaica. Do they still issue tickets for overtaking on a solid white line? and I'm asking you guys this question also. So many roads in Jamaica don't have a line, whether it's a straight line or a broken, they have no line. There is no marking on the road. Either it was never put in or it has faded. A lot of them, the white line has faded and you can't see it. What happens then? Do they issue the ticket still? Can the police issue a ticket if the white line is not properly visible? I haven't done it, so I'm just curious. If anybody knows the answer to these questions, let us know. You can leave a comment in the section below. Because I can't remember ever hearing recently of people like, look at that. That's supposed to be a solid white line there, but part of the line has faded. So in a case like that, I mean, do the police still issue tickets for these lines, overtaking on a solid white line? I'm curious. And what happens when the road doesn't have any line, any marking, it has faded? Now, I know there was a time when the police were setting up, like, at a spot to stop motorists. They would strategically choose spots that had white lines because if the people overtake and they see them overtaking, they could stop them. But I noticed recently, like these last couple of years, they have the speed gun and they stop you based on speeding, not for, like, say, overtaking on the white line. That's why I'm asking if they still issue tickets for the white line. I know nowadays it's all about, well, the majority of times they're stopping for speeding is they have the radar gun and they're stopping. Alright guys, we're driving through St. Elizabeth today. We're actually driving from Spur Tree Hill towards Santa Cruz.